Hi there and welcome back. I'm sorry that it's been a while since I had shared a video. Well, today I definitely have a haul for you guys. This is a short video, but I will be showing some craft items that I have picked up from Dollar Tree. So let's begin. The first thing I have are these multi-packs of sequences. They come in a variety of colors and they're great for shaker cards and gift tags, which is what I'm going to use them for. Next up, I have googly eyes. They come in a variety of sizes, so they're great for any crafting projects. I went ahead and picked up some glue dots and double-sided tapes. I use these for my gift wrapping and for layering cards. So next I have the stamp set and an acrylic block. I'm a bit late on the stamp game. My Dollar Tree was out of all the Hampton Art stamps except this one, so I quickly grabbed it. I wish I had collected the other ones as well, but I got what I found. Alright, so that's it for my craft items. What I bought along with these craft items is a book. I bought this for my son. I saw this and it's a great value book because it usually retails for $6.99 and I found it for $1. And it's a really nice colourful book. My son likes looking at these pictures. Finally, I found these sticker books. Let me just zoom out a little bit. I found two, and these are 2016 edition, retailed for $7.99, and I bought these for my nieces. So they have several activities and stickers in the front, so I thought that was really good. So that's it for my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to click subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.